Good morning everyone! Happy Sunday! So, andito kami ngayon sa Walmart. Siyempre, meron na naman tayong grocery shopping. Si Mr. Nagre-research siya sa paggawa ng shepherd's pie. Kasi yan ang aming
smoothie.
kakainin. Pati pala smoothies. So, ayun. Si Zira natutulog. Ayun siya.
Wake up the baby. Wake her up.
Zira, wake. Lamig na yun. We're very cold. Pero tumigil naman na yung snow. Kaso syempre, nagtutunaw yung mga yelo kaya mas malamig. Isingin na namin si Zira para makapasok na kami doon sa supermarket. Ay, sa Walmart. Dito na kami sa loob ng Walmart. Ay. Titingin kami ng mga blender kasi para makapagawa kaming smoothie. Nasasayang kasi yung mga prutas namin eh. Laging natatapon lang. Zira, ga. Mama.
I feel like it's gonna break.
Not gonna break. Si Mr. bibili na naman ng laruan si Zira. Dagdag kalat na naman.
It's got no battery.
Does it need to have a battery? It has a battery. The baby is so happy with her new toy. Siya yung pumili niyang toy na yan. So we are back home and mag-start na tayo sa ating grocery shopping haul. Goldfish, snacks ni Zira. Huggies. And then Oreo, cookies. Nutella Be Ready. Binuksan na namin to kasi kinain namin ni Zira kanina nung nasa Walmart kami. Mango, coconut juice. Dalawa yan. Chocolate brownie. Minced garlic. Whole milk. Apple juice. Pickles. Coconut water. Burger seasoning. And then olives. Chips. Slim Jims. Carrots. And isa pang whole milk. Ito yung gagamitin namin para sa aming smoothies. Chocolates. Peanut butter. Coffee. Chicken fingers. Wet wipe. Cheerios. Paper towels. Another whole milk. Paper plates. Chain door guard. Dalawang strawberries. Bananas. 3 piling ito. Ayan. Grapefruit. Celery sticks. Green beans. Onions. Buhok ni Zira. Rice. Smoked sausage. Bacon. Pears. Grapes. Ground pork. Ribeye steak and pork belly. Sweet peas. Blueberries. Frozen radish. And avocados. And then ice cream. So, ayan na yung lahat ng pinamili natin for this week. And yung total is $338.84. So, syempre, lampas na naman tayo sa aming $250 budget. Which is, hindi naman na talaga nag-set si Mr. ng budget kung napanood ninyo yung aming previous video. Ayun, medyo mahal na talaga ang ngayon, no? Bilihin. Wala nang mura sa panahon ngayon. So, i-put away ko lang ito and see you later. Meron pa pala nakalimutan ko ito. Katabi ko. Itong blender. And then, croissant. Tapos yung toy ni Zira. And preggy dress. Hindi naman talaga siya preggy dress, pero pwede naman siyang pang preggy. Tingnan nyo naman guys, ang daming leftover na pagkain. Ito nga yung mga niluto ni Mr. nung nakaraan. Kaso, dahil mahina talaga akong kumain, tatapon na namin to. Ang daming nasayang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Nakakapanghinayang siya. Kaya sabi ko kay Mr. Maghinay-hinay sa pagluluto ng mga ng pagkain at saka pagbili ng mga meat. Ito oh, 4 yan na Tupperware. Ito, chicken. So, lahat to itatapon na lang niya. Tapos ito, pork ito. Parang yung caldereta style. Tapos, chilies. Ang dami pa oh. Sayang. Tapos giniling, pork giniling. Ayan, lahat siya masasayang. Kasi ayaw na rin kainin ni Mister. Ayaw niya kasi ng mga yung inuulit ba yung pagkain. Eh, sabi niya ngayon, mukhang mag-uulit na lang kami ng pagkain kasi nga sayang. Kaya lagi kaming umaabot sa $300 plus every week. Tapos ito yung mga fruits. Kaya naisip na talaga namin na gumawa ng smoothies para hindi rin masayang yung mga prutas. Ito pa, ice cream. Tatapon na rin namin. Marami pa to. Kasi bumili na naman siya ng bagong ice cream. Nasasayangan talaga ako. Ito pala yung potato, hindi ko nasama sa haul kanina. And ang dami na ng potato. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sobrang daming binili ni Master. Ito palang chicken, hindi ko na muna to itatapon. Gagamitin ko to sa aking sopas. At saka sa pansit, sayang kasi. Pang sahog. Kaya ang mahal-mahal ng mga bilihin ngayon. Para lang tayo nagtatapon ng pera pagka itatapon lang sa basurahan. Pwede pa naman siya, hindi pa naman sira eh. Si Mister, kausap niya itong seller nung minivan na nakita niya. Hindi ito yung sa dealership. Nakita niya ulit sa marketplace. Pero sobrang ganda. So pupuntahan namin siya bukas. I-check namin kung okay ba. Sa Massachusetts siya. Love, what can you say about that minivan? Nung nakita ko, maganda talaga. Promise.
This minivan is very beautiful looking, and they cannot fake how beautiful this is. You can tell that somebody really took care of it a lot, and it belonged to this guy's great aunt and uncle who are elderly now. They're in their 80s, and so they've owned it since 2009. I guess when they were in their 70s or maybe late 60s, but they took very good care of it and babied it, and they kept it in a garage, and it's a good deal. I feel like the guy could get a lot more money for it than he's asking for it. It's a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but the benefit of it, if you bought this at a dealership, they would charge you like almost twice as much money. So it's a very good deal. And what you get at a dealership would not be anywhere near as good as this. So it's a good deal.
I have another question though. Maybe the viewers would notice it as well. Why do you keep wearing this shirt? You have a lot of shirt, but you keep repeating this one. You keep wearing this one.
I don't know.
You don't care.
I don't think about it. It's on the top of the pile. That's it.
Ganyan sila, no? Kayo rin ba yung mga asawa niyong foreigner? Wala sila masyadong pakialam sa mga...
If she wants me to wear a different shirt, she can put a different shirt on.
Yun na ang gagawin ko next. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next time. So you won't keep...
Whatever shirt you want me to wear, put it on top.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Ano talaga? Wala siyang pakialam sa mga isusuot niya. Kung ano yun nandun sa ibabaw, yun paulit-ulit. Yun ang susuotin niya. Iba dito kay Sir. Wala kasi itong walang keme. Wala siyang kaarte-arte sa katawan. Kaya, ganyan siya. Baka kasi napapansin nyo bakit paulit-ulit yung damit niya. Araw-araw ako naglo-laundry and pagkalaba ko niyan, lalagay ko siya. Hindi ko naman kasi nga minsan naayos na. So, kung ano yung nasa ibabaw, yun lang ulit ang isusuot niya. So, ayan na si Mister. Itatapon niya na itong aming mga leftover na sobrang nasayang. Love, I was telling them that you keep buying a lot of meat, a lot of stuff, a lot of ulam, and then we're just wasting it because, you keep cooking a lot of food. And you know that I don't eat a lot. And we're just wasting a lot of money and a lot of food. So what are we gonna do next time? You told me something that we're gonna do differently so that we won't be wasting money and we won't be wasting food anymore.
Well, I like to have a different food every day, but since we are wasting a lot of food because she does not eat as much as I do, we're going to have to start eating the same thing 2 days in a row. So I'm going to be cooking, which is actually nice because I'm always cooking too much anyways. So if we just start eating the same thing 2 days in a row, then I only have to cook half as much and then I get like 2 hours of my life back. So that's pretty good.
So, ayun. Ganun yung gagawin namin kasi nga, ang daming nasasayang na pagkain at saka pera din. Baka sakaling mas makatipid na kami sa aming grocery shopping budget or budget kahit walang budget. Para at least, di ba? Sayang kasi. Madaming nagugutom. Hi, Sarah. What are you doing? Say hello to the camera. Say hi, everyone. Busy ikaw? Busy siya paglalaro. Busy siya pagkakalat. Ang batang makalat. Parang daday niya. Pag ganito yung daday niya, sobrang kalat din. Manang-mana to sa tatay niya. Love, I have another question though. You watched my vlog last night, right? About the result of the gender of our baby based on
How am I supposed to know what it's about? I have no idea.
but you watched it. You didn't get any information.
I'm just joking.
Yeah, so what can you say about it? That based on the what's that? Baby predictor Chinese calendar that it will be a baby girl. What's your opinion about it? And what
If John wants to be a girl in his next incarnation, then that's his prerogative. It's not really our decision to make.
So, dun po sa mga hindi nakakaintindi kung sino si John. Si John, yung best friend ni Mister na sumakabilang buhay na. And para kay Mister, iniisip niya. Kasi nung nalaman namin na preggy ako, dun din nalaman ni Mister na namatay na yung best friend niya. So, iniisip niya talaga at naniniwala siya na yung soul ng best friend niya is nag-jump lang dito sa aking belly, dun sa aming sa aming baby. So, kaya sinasabi niya na ganyan. Kung ano man yung kanyang opinion. What are you making?
I'm making a fruit smoothie with Zeta's leftover fruit from last week. We're using apple juice instead of orange juice because Michelle thought that orange juice would be too acidic. So we decided to use apple juice instead. I did not chop up the banana because I want to watch it get smushed. I think it'd be more interesting to get smushed as a whole. I might have to double the bananas because there might be too much apple juice in here and not enough emulsifier.
Emulsifier? Yeah, and you did buy a lot of bananas, so just use a lot because you're just gonna waste it.
Sometimes it's weird to eat too much banana. It's a lot of sugar eating.
Yeah, we're gonna get constipated. So, ayan, ang dami rin kasing nasasayang sa mga prutas. Kaya, nag-isip na rin kami ng paraan para hindi siya masayang. Kasi nga, di ba? Sayang ang pera at sayang ang pagkain. Hindi naman siya mura.
Is everybody ready?
Ayan na, let's... anong tawag dyan? What do you call that? ASMR. I think that's enough. Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Si Zeta doon siya. Kawawa naman. Nilagyan namin ng gate kasi ang gulo niya. Oh no! Oh no!
not going to be very cold.
Yeah.
It's not-
I'm gonna try. Let's see how is it. If it's good or not good. Mm, it's sour.
sour.
But it's good. It's just a little bit sour.
It's a good way to eat a lot of fruit.
Mm. And bago natin tapusin ang video, isa-shoutout ni Mister itong ating mga viewers. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. So, love.
Shout out to at Peter Wortman 606. Shout out to Christina Ramones. That's Mama. Shout out to Pina Anore. Shout out to Mathel3662. Shout out to Astri Hungary. Shout out to Ray Piamonte. Wow, look at all these people. This is a lot of people. Shout out to No I
It's Noy and Cory.
Corey. Noy. I thought I was like a Jamaican. No I and I, Corey.
No, Noy and Cory.
Dalin Apleta. Arlene LIWS. What is LIWS?
Life in Washington State.
Wow, I didn't think she would actually know the answer to that.
Of course.
There's a
She's my sis.
rhetorical question. Oh,
This is Eden.
this is my favorite one. At user dash
That's
FM9
Eden.
WM6KF5Z,
Miss Eden.
also known as Eden. Shout out to Tess Greeter 1. Shout out to Ali Savlog 5054. That is.
Here.
Shout out to
Evan.
at Evelyn-RF2TQ. Shout out to at Helen Villanueva 8839. Shout out to McWatching 2290. Shout out to Warren Rochelle Vlogs.
Racial vlog.
Racial?
Yeah.
Shout out to at Syra de la Salas. Why does she expect me to know how to say this? Shout out to Catalina Mempin 7716. Shout out to Charmander Albino. Charmalbino.
Okay, so ayun, maraming salamat po ulit sa ating mga masugid na tagapanood ng aming video. Thank you so much. And sa ating mga silent viewers, again, thank you so much. And if you are new to our channel, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please wag niyo pong kalimutan i-hit ang like button. So ayun lang po for today's video. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyo from our family.